Almonds are a type of nut that is rich in fiber, proteins, and healthy fats. A large-scale meta-analysis, involving over 4 million participants, has shown that regular almond intake is associated with an 11% reduction in all-cause mortality, compared to those who do not consume almonds. The question arises, what is the optimal almond intake? It is suggested to be 20 to 50 grams per day. This study also scaled other factors, such as smoking status, alcohol consumption, and physical activity. So the almond health benefits are a true correlation, and it really has health benefits. Now let's explain what makes almonds so beneficial. Almonds contain 3.5 grams of fiber per 28 grams, a quantity considered to have high fiber content. High dietary fiber, especially the soluble type, converts to a gel-like substance in the intestines, slowing down the absorption of glucose and sugar. This positively affects blood glucose levels, preventing spikes and insulin resistance. Fiber also binds to cholesterol, inhibiting its absorption, and thus, almonds can lower LDL or bad cholesterol. Furthermore, fiber promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, crucial for immune system functioning. Additionally, almonds provide 6 grams of protein per 28 grams, which is also considered a high amount. The protein in almonds is of high quality, containing all essential amino acids, which are crucial for our bodies and cannot be synthesized internally. Almonds are also rich in healthy, monounsaturated fats, which positively affect heart health by reducing LDL cholesterol and increasing HDL cholesterol. These fats also slow down glucose absorption, thus positively affecting glucose metabolism and preventing insulin resistance. Rich in antioxidants, almonds contain vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that protects the body and skin from oxidative stress, such as that caused by sun radiation and skin aging. However, there are limitations to almond intake. Its component amygdalin releases cyanide when digested. Although the quantity is so low that our bodies can quickly detoxify it, it's worth noting that almonds are not generally considered toxic. Another limitation is their high caloric content. Almonds contain 626 calories per 100 grams, with 28 grams providing around 188 calories. Therefore, moderation is crucial in consuming almonds.